Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious kutsinta. Kutsinta is a type of Filipino steam cake known for its sticky, soft, gelatinous texture. It's sweet with a hint of smoky molasses flavor from the brown sugar. Traditionally, kutsinta is made with some form of flour and lye water, which is an ingredient that gives it its chewy, gelatinous texture. And these are the simple ingredients and tools you need to make kutsinta. So, we need 2 cups tapioca or cassava flour, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3 to 4 cups or 500 grams brown sugar, 5 cups water, 1 teaspoon atsuete powder dissolved with 2 tablespoon water, 4 teaspoon lye water, and the tools we need to make is we need 40 pieces mold, and these molds can make 38 to 40 pieces kutsinta using this 1/4 measuring cup, and of course our steamer. Alright, so let's start making the kutsinta. In a large bowl, put all the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, and tapioca flour, and mix until all combined. And now, let's add water to the mixture and mix it again until mixture is thoroughly dissolved and smooth. And now, add dissolved atsuete and followed by the lye water and continue mixing until smooth and no lumps. If there's a lumps in the mixture, you can get another bowl and pour mixture through the strainer and get rid of lumps for smoother consistency. By the way, let's make sure that the water we will use for steaming is already boiling before pouring the kutsinta mixture into the mold. And if your mold is non-sticky, you can always brush each mold lightly with vegetable oil. Alright, we are close to finishing our kutsinta and we are in the last procedure before steaming it, thus it'll become a kutsinta. Now let's pour the mixture into the mold until 3/4 filled in its mold, or by using this 1/4 measuring cup is ideal or perfect for filling each mold. Alright, we are now in the last part of making this kutsinta. We are going to steam it now for 25 minutes in medium-high heat, okay? So let it be steamed and don't open it until 25 minutes is over, alright? Okay, so now 25 minutes is over. Now after 25 minutes, let's remove now from the heat and let it cool down before removing from the mold. Alright, so this is how to remove kutsinta from the mold. You can use a spoon, and to prevent from sticking to it, you can grease with a little bit of oil. Lastly, for the toppings, you may grind cheese, and the cheese I am using here today is Magnolia brand. Or you can also use grated coconut, and you can buy it in the store where there is an Asian's product. Alright, so that's it for today's kutsinta cooking tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my next videos. Thank you and God bless everyone, at mabuhay po tayong lahat.